Christmas. The big day has come. You're probably full of turkey, imperial stouts, and Brad probably full of rum.
I've had a few rums. Not gonna lie.
Is that a Christmas tradition for you?
I love a bit of rum.
Love a bit of rum on Christmas?
Oh, I love a bit of rum. Who doesn't, right?
Don't know. Should have been one of the gifts that the wise men brought Jesus.
Well, that's the thing, isn't it?
Frankincense,
Like,
rum or gold.
he's an immaculate
Golden
conception, but 3 blokes turn up to his birth bringing gifts.
That's not the Christmas message this year. Every year we do a Christmas message. This is the first one that Brad's been involved in. He's smashing it, by the way.
I've already offended all the Christians.
So the Christmas message is just we look back at the year and we look at what we wanted to say about it and what we think we should be doing in 2019. And this year's theme is around the notion of breaking bread.
It is.
So when you break bread with somebody, you sit down, you get to know them, you talk through things, right? It's being welcoming to whoever they are, being a great host and being welcoming and inclusive.
It's putting aside any external differences you might have.
Yeah.
And genuinely opening up your heart to another human, because at the end of the day, we're all humans.
People are just people like you.
We've got more in common than we have that separates us.
Yeah. So what we wanted to say is it's been a tough year politically, and whatever side you're on, we think that it'd be really awesome if those sides could sit down and just have a beer together. Break a bottle. Not in a rioting kind of way. Sit down, have a bottle of beer with somebody, have a pint of some really great beer with somebody and chat about something that you wouldn't expect to talk about with somebody you don't usually sit down with. And we'll try and do that next year more than we have before.
Yeah.
And we'd love you guys who watch the channel to do the same. And there's no thing in the world that does that better than beer. Beer is the great social glue.
It's a great leveller, I think, you know. It's almost the modern communion, I think, going and imbibing some alcohol together.
Exactly.
Maybe having a little cry, you know. Just sort of airing your beefs.
Yeah, in a safe environment.
In a safe
of a
environment,
thing you can connect with.
non-judgmental sort of realm.
So we'd love you guys to do that, and we'd love you to let us know if you do that and what happened. And we'll be doing the same, and we might report it when we do. So let's make sure that 2019 is more inclusive, more fun, more beer driven, responsibly-ish, and that we all just be excellent to each other.
In the words of Bill and Ted.
So much love from Jonny and the Brad to you guys. Thanks for supporting us this year on the channel. Check out our Christmas live video, which was just for you guys, which is live, and check out our Christmas beer video, which went live last week. Otherwise, have an amazing, amazing day on this day, the day of some people's Lord. And
cheers to a holiday.
Be lovely. Cheers.